If you use Microsoft Word often, there's a simple setting that can make saving feel smoother and less disruptive while you work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable background saves in Word step by step so you can keep typing while Word handles saving in the background. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference if you work on long documents, reports, notes, or anything that you save frequently. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Word tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This will open the main menu where you can access Word's settings and preferences. From there, click Options. If you don't see Options right away, look near the bottom of the File menu. Once the Word Options window appears, you'll see a list of categories on the left side. Click Advanced. Now you're in the Advanced settings for Word. This area contains a lot of useful options, so take your time and scroll down carefully. Keep scrolling until you reach the Save section. In this section, you'll find several settings related to how Word handles saving your documents. Look for the checkbox that says Allow Background Saves. When you find it, simply check that box to turn it on. Background saves allow Word to save your document without forcing you to stop working while the save happens. That means better workflow, less interruption, and a smoother writing experience overall. Once the box is checked, click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to save your changes. That's it. You've now enabled background saves in Word. From this point forward, Word should be able to save in the background while you continue typing and editing. If you ever want to turn it off later, just go back to File, then Options, then Advanced, scroll to the Save section again, and uncheck Allow Background Saves. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Microsoft Word tips, shortcuts, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.